Guys, welcome back to another video with your main man, Smooth Mark. In today's video, I'm showing you guys this absolutely amazing Minecraft Park Edition now. It's actually going to allow me to head to the Loud House Dimension. If you guys actually want to go ahead and head to the Loud House Dimension for yourself, the name of the add-on is the Minecraft Park Edition Loud House Dimension add-on. Wow, that was a long name. But everything you guys are going to need to head to this absolutely amazing dimension is inside this one beautiful, glorious chest right here, guys. So what you guys are going to need first to head to this absolutely amazing dimension is you're going to need 10 orange wool. You're also going to need fur white wool, and you're also going to need a flint and steel to light it all up. You're also probably going to have some enchanted golden apples just in case you accidentally end up lighting up something you was never supposed to light up. I'm also bringing along a puffer fish for reasons I cannot explain, guys, but for some reason it brings me luck. I'm also bringing along a chicken, a cow, a pig, and a villager in case I get really hungry and I have to eat them, guys. I'm also bringing along a fishing rod in case they just don't fill me all the way up, guys. Let's go ahead and let's make this amazing frame. So when you're making it, you want to put your 2 orange wool in the middle, then 2 white wool on each side. Then you just want to go ahead and jump on up. Oh my god, I jumped right over. You just want to jump right up. And then you just want to go ahead and put 3 orange wool on this side, guys. 1 white wool on top. And then you just want to look around. Make sure that you don't see no signs of Herobrine at all. Oh my god, was that Herobrine inside that cave over there, guys? Whoa, go back and take a look, guys. I think I seen Herobrine looking out of that cave. Whoa, that was crazy. But let's go ahead and jump on down and make the other side of this frame. So you just want to go ahead and put 3 orange wool on this side, then 2 orange wool in the middle, and then 1 white wool on this side, and boom, shapow, you are done. And let's go ahead and take a look at this amazing, beautiful, gorgeous frame, guys. Wow, that looks amazing. Let's go ahead and light it up. Wow. That is just so beautiful, guys. Let's go ahead and head right on into the mystery chest. And in the mystery chest, we have TNT, and we also have redstone torches, so you best believe we're going to be blowing something up. And we also have some lava, guys, in case things get real crazy and we have to start burning some stuff. But let's go ahead and head on into this amazing, glorious, fantastic dimension, guys. Whee! Oh my god, I jumped straight through. Let's go ahead and just jump on that, guys, and head on in. Wow, that loaded up quick. Wow, his house looks so amazing and huge, guys, and they even added the garage. Let's go ahead and take a look in the garage, guys, and see what's in there. Hopefully there's something pretty good, guys, like a sports car or something, guys. Let's go ahead and open this up. Whoa, there is a van. This is obviously the family van, guys. Wow, we're gonna have to come back and blow this up, guys. It's just so amazing, so glorious. We're gonna come back and we're gonna blow that up, guys. So let's go ahead and look inside the house. After we're done looking inside this beautiful, glorious, huge house, guys, we're gonna go out into that garage and we are gonna blow up that minivan. But let's go ahead and head on in, guys. Wow, this place is amazing. But before we head in, let's not be rude. Let's look through the windows. I don't see anybody in there, guys. So that's a good sign. Usually, before you enter somebody's house, you want to look through the windows, make sure that nobody's in there. And then if there isn't, I guess it's just basically, you know, if you have the key, just go on in. Or if you ain't got the key, you know, do whatever you want. Let's go ahead and look into the kitchen, guys. And wow, this is amazing. Whoa. They have tons of food in the refrigerator. They have TNT. They have apples, potatoes. Whoa, guys, this place is amazing. They even have zombies' heads. If I didn't have all the rest of the stuff to fill me, I would definitely eat these zombie heads because they look absolutely delicious, guys. Let's go ahead and see what they got in the furnace. Oh my god, they got a potato in the furnace, guys, and they're trying to bake it. That would have just ruined the whole taste of the potato, guys. Everybody knows you gotta eat your potatoes raw. It's the only way, guys. It's the only way to eat potatoes. At least it's the way I eat potatoes, guys. I eat them raw and I put cheese on them because that's the best way to eat them, guys. And if you're gonna eat potatoes, I suggest you do the same thing. Ain't that right, zombie? Yeah, He pretty much knows that's the way too, guys. But oh my god, they have a toilet and they have a tub. Oh my god, and I just got myself on fire. Wow, guys, that was a that was a flaming turd. That was a flaming turd. Let's go ahead and jump on up on this and settle down, guys. Do what we do best. Alright, now that we're all done, this is the funnest part. We can just jump on in. That's right, guys. Just jump on into their tub. They're probably going to be mad because they're going to be finding pieces of poop in the water. As long as they don't know it was me, it don't matter. I better crack a window, though, guys. I better crack a window for them. So let me just go ahead and crack this window. Because, oh my god, I was about to eat my apple. Let's just go ahead and crack that because we don't want to stink up their house, guys. There's already poop in the water. But, oh my god. Right there's Lincoln Loud. What is going on, bro? Oh my god, this is so amazing to finally be meeting you, Lincoln Loud. I never thought I was going to be able to meet him, guys. Especially in his bedroom, guys. He got a humongous TV, a huge bed. He actually looks bigger in real life than he does all the rest of the times I've seen him, guys. Like, wow, this is just amazing. My cow wants to see you, my pig wants to see you, and my villager wants to see you. My chicken wanted to see you, but he's too busy protecting your house. So let's go ahead and spawn all these guys. Wow, I cannot believe I'm finally meeting you. You know what, I'm going to have to come back here later, and I'm going to have to go fishing with you, bro. Wow, I don't want to trade with you, villager. Get out of here. Wow, this is just so amazing to be meeting him, guys. I absolutely love you, Lincoln Loud, but now it's time to go ahead and leave. Because now I gotta blow up your garage. You understand, right? Yeah, I think he understands. Let me just go ahead and jump on over to his garage. Because now it's time to blow up the family van with TNT, guys. I don't think it's gonna be running much longer, guys. Boom! Whoa! That was a massive explosion. But the roof is still on the garage. The house is still fully in contact, guys. Although the bathroom might stink a little more. That's not my fault. And some of the windows might be broken. That is my fault. And I guess stinking up the house is also my fault, guys. But you guys have to admit, this house is absolutely amazing, guys. Like, they have a humongous staircase. Lincoln Loud has a humongous TV. I might have to go in there later and take that, guys. Let me know what you guys thought about this absolutely amazing dimension. And let me know what dimension you guys want to see me head to next. And as always, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.